Hi everyone, welcome back to a new one. Today we learn how to add weather on your home screen. If the weather widget is not available on your mobile home screen, then there's a easy method. I will show you a easy methods. Just you need to follow some steps and you can easily add weather on your mobile home screen. But first of all, do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tips, tricks and useful tutorials. If you want to add weather on your home screen, weather widget on your mobile home screen, what you need to do? You need to just go to your mobile home page, then click on the blank space area. Then you need to choose or click widgets. Alright, once you click on widgets, then you need to just go a little down and find out weather. For example, I am going down and here I want to find weather and weather is available here. Then just click on weathers, then go a little down and you can choose different themes. For example, dynamic bar, weather, weather and clock, and on the downward, weather forecast. So I want to just add weather, so I click on first one, dynamic weather, and you can add it to your mobile home screen easily. So I hope this short video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Goodbye, best of luck.